Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I would like to express my sincere thanks for your presence here today. Authority Organization on Safety of Industry of ASEAN member countries, KM Shako Chilam Institute for Industry Research, India. Moreover, at today's opening ceremony, TISTR increased the Industrial Inspection Centre No.II or Site 2, Vietnam. We thank sincere to Dr. Tin Phung to be here at our signing ceremony. The ultimate goal of this MOU is to complement each institute on their service to customer in inspection, testing, industrial safety under the mandatory regulations and voluntary guidelines of Vietnam, India, Cambodia, Myanmar, and Thailand.
Dr. Phung, Director of Industrial Inspection Centre No.II, Dr. Shako Chilam Institute Director, and Professor Yun from Chung Ang University, honorable keynote and guest speakers, distinguished ASEAN participants, and also friends from Hong Kong, Vietnam. Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, it is my great pleasure to warmly welcome you at this opening ceremony of this training workshop. I may begin by referring that the plan assets mean to the importance of industrial investment, cost of production, and economic growth.